Hey guys, it's Abby and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul of some things that I've been getting all throughout this past like 6 months of quarantine or whatever. So I know I never do sit down videos, but I just thought why not. Today I'm going to be showing you a mixture of clothes, jewelry, shoes, stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe down below and let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with shoes. So I've gotten 2 pairs of shoes so far. They're the Nike Air Max 270 Reacts, but they're just like a cream color and then they have orange and blue accents on them, and I love these so much. I saw them on a TikTok and then I ordered them. And then I also got another pair of Nikes. These are the Air Max 200s and they're like teal and green. I couldn't decide whether I wanted these or the other ones, and I couldn't decide, so I just bought both. So let's move on to jewelry. Pretty much everything I'm about to show is from altrd except for one thing. I have 2 necklaces. First is this gold necklace. It has like gold lightning bolts on it. I love the look of layering necklaces, so I also got this necklace from altrd to layer with the necklace that I just showed. I wore those necklaces for my senior pictures and I think they turned out really cute. And then I also bought this pair of earrings. They're just like dangly and it has like animal print dots on it. I got them right before lockdown started. I was gonna wear them to prom, but obviously prom didn't happen. So I just thought I'd show those 2 because I got them like right before everything shut down. And then real quick, so I thought I would include this as well, but I'm currently filming on my new camera that I got. I got the G7X Mark III, and I also bought a 64 gig SD card to go with it, so I just thought I would include that since, you know, I'm filming on it now. I'm really excited about that, and that's why I'm filming a sit down video, because I got really inspired after I got that in the mail yesterday. Now I'm gonna do clothes. First I'll start off with Lululemon. I got 2 of their like razorback tank tops. I got this hot pink one, and then I also just got like a plain black one, and then I also got the black camo hottie hots. I can't find them right now for some reason. I got plain black hottie hots. I've never gotten speedos before because I've just always liked the hottie hots better, but I really like this color online, so I bought them to try them out and I actually really like them. That's everything I've gotten from Lulu. The first thing from pacsun that I have is this orange tie-up shirt. It has like white flowers on it and it's so pretty. I love it. The next thing is just this plain white shirt. I thought this would be really cute to wear in the fall with like black jeans. And then I got this like mint green one shoulder shirt. It's like a stretchy material. I wasn't really a huge fan of the one shoulder trend when it kind of started last year, but now I love it. I think it's so cute. I also got a pair of paper bag shorts from pacsun, but they still haven't come yet. I don't know if they're never gonna come or if they're just like back ordered. I have no idea, but I ordered them like a month ago and they still haven't come. Moving on to Urban Outfitters. So this shirt's kind of hard to show on here because of like the string, but basically it's a one shoulder shirt and then this part like ties around your waist. Oh, and then this shirt that I'm wearing right now is also from Urban Outfitters, and I think it'll be really cute with jeans in the fall. I also ordered a wildflower phone case from there, but it's supposed to get here tomorrow. And now I'm going to show you the clothes that I've gotten from altrd. So the first thing I have is this like silky tank top and it has like ruffles around it, and it was on sale and I thought it was cute, so I ordered it, but it like fits weird, so I haven't worn it and I don't know if I will. And it just like is way too tight up here, and so I can't really wear it, but it's cute. I just can't wear it. And then I got 2 dresses from there as well. I got this baby doll dress. It's like ruffled at the bottom and the sleeves are also ruffled and it has like a v-neck, and I love this dress and I feel like it goes well with my hair. I wore this for my senior yearbook picture. And then this last dress, I did not know what I was gonna think about it when I got it. I kind of bought it as kind of a risk and just hoping I would like it. And it's this yellow dress. There's ruffled sleeves and then there's like a knot here putting the fabric together. There's like different ruffles going down the dress, and then it's like textured too. It's not really something that I would normally wear, but I wore it when I had a photo shoot with my friends and I loved it. I was debating wearing this for my senior pictures, but I feel like the other dress is more universal, and I feel like in a few years I'm gonna think this dress is like really ugly because trends are changing so quickly that I feel like in a few years this is gonna like not be cute anymore. I don't know. That's everything from Altered State. Okay, I totally forgot to show my bathing suits. I got 2 bathing suits from PacSun. The first one is this green one, and it has like this ruffle material, and it's so comfortable, and it's actually pretty supportive even though it has like no padding or anything. But I love this bathing suit, and I wear it literally like almost every single time I go to the pool. And then the other one I got is this orange one. I love this color so much. And it has like sparkles on it. The only con to this is it is really itchy. So if your skin's really sensitive to like itchy fabric, you probably don't want to get this because it is very itchy. But anyways, I forgot to show this, so I just wanted to add this clip in at the end. I know this video was kind of short, but I just wanted to do a quick sit down video just to kind of try out my new camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.